Lesibalo sika 4.7 wezigidi zabantu okulindeleke ukuthi bavote ngoLwezi siphezulu uma siqhathaniswa naleso sango-2021. Izifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng kanye ne-Eastern Cape zihamba phambili ngezibalo zabantu ababhalisele ukuvota.
The combined impact of the two registration weekend drive resulted in close to 4.7 million interactions with voters, compared to 1.7 million transactions recorded during a comparable election in 2021.
Bangu 2.1 wezigidi abantu abazobe beqala ngqa ukuvota ngoLwezi.
2.1 million new voters have been added to the voters' roll since the last general elections in 2024. This is despite the fact that we regrettably lost 884,000 voters owing mainly to mortality.
I-IEC yathule uhlelo olusha lokubhalisela ukuvota ngenkundla yokuxhumana uWhatsApp.
This modality provides intuitive, convenient, and mobile-friendly way to register or update details given its pervasive use. The platform uses secure identity verification measures, including OTP authentication, ID document upload, address verification, and voting station confirmation to protect the integrity of the voters' roll.
Abangakabhalisi bayanxuswa ukuba bengalindi umzuzu wokugcina ngoba lokhu kungaholela ekutheni bevaleleke ngaphandle.